I'm Chef Champion. Let's bring cooking back the way it used to be. Welcome to the new age of culinary learning. Welcome, world. We're back once again for another episode of Cook Like a Champion. Today, I got my good friend in here, Keo. Watch it. Might knock you out, or he might not, or he might cook you some good, delicious pho.
I'm Keo, nickname Knockout Keo. I box for a living. Three-time Golden Glove champion in Wisconsin, undefeated. So far, up to date with the record, still the same one, the only one.
So you could probably whoop me if we got into the ring together. All right, we'll see about that, all right?
How about I let you cook for me?
There you go, champions versus champions. So what's the first thing that I need to do?
What you need to do is start the water.
Okay.
Like I said, per ounce steak, every ounce on the steak is a cup of water. So here we have a 16-ounce steak, so we use 16 cups of water. And then bring it to a boil, then you just add a T-bone in there.
Right in there, just like
Yep,
so?
right in there, just like that.
Awesome. I've never put a T-bone in water before, but you gonna show us how to do it.
I will show you how to do it. What you want to do with the steaks, you want to get it to medium rare. So when it's medium rare, Ace will take it out, he'll slice it up, and we'll put the bone back in there. There we go. This is how you want the meat to be done. You don't want it to be fully cooked, because once you put it on your bowl with the broth, it'll cook it again. This is steak, so you can have it medium well.
Gotcha. All right.
I gotta keep, my beach body. Let me get out of his way, he's pretty.
Okay, and then what do I do with the bone when I'm done?
You put the bone back in the broth. So it continues to season it.
And you said just make some slices out of this.
Just like that.
You got it, fella. You got it. And then when I'm slicing this, what I'm gonna try and do is slice it as thin as possible?
Yes.
All right,
so
awesome.
Then you can feed a village with this.
A village, huh?
As you're doing that, I will add some basil plants to the broth.
And then what kind of spices we got going on over here?
Well, we have the soy sauce, less sodium. We have the sriracha sauce. We have the beef paste, which is the main ingredient to pho. There's not a single pho that don't have this. And then we have the sweeter version of the, how do you say that?
Hoisin sauce.
Hoisin sauce. Then we have cilantro, which I just break this up before I give it to you.
Okay.
To slice it up.
You just want me just to slice that up?
Yep, add these in there.
Knife skills 101, 3 fingers wrapped underneath the handle, index finger on the blade, thumbs on the blade. Always remember that rocking motion. How are you with your knife skills? Let me show you a little bit. So you always want to make sure you get that rocking motion. What I do with this parsley is I just try to bile it or ball it up in as nice as a ball as possible, and I'm just gonna slice right through. And as you see, my motion is always in a rocking motion. All right, you want to open that up for me? And just throw it all in there.
There you go. Okay, while that goes, we add a little Hoisin sauce in there. Garnish it yourself at the end. It's just so it flavors everything together.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir. Take that
Hold that
from
for
me.
you. Thank you.
Probably just leave this off, huh?
Oh yeah, you can
Let
leave
it
it
do
off.
its thing.
Yeah, you can leave it off, because then you smell the aroma. It's gonna be.
That does smell good. All right, so you said just slice that in half, and I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze that in there.
You want to look and see that the bone is white. Now you know it's done, and we're pretty much ready.
All right, so now we have all our nice, fresh ingredients ready to go. We're gonna let this finish cooking. All right, so this has been cooking for about 15, 20 minutes, would you say?
Correct.
I think this looks like it's ready.
Yes, it is.
All right. So I guess there's nothing else left to do is to plate it up and see what this pho tastes like. See if he can create the hype that he's created and see exactly how good this is. So how should I assemble this?
Well, you just throw in this pre-cooked noodles.
What kind of noodles are these?
These are pre-cooked rice noodles.
Rice noodles.
You get them raw at the Oriental aisles at most food stores. We need the meat on top of here.
How much meat should I put in there?
Probably just half.
Half of that?
Yeah, half of that.
Sprinkle some of that.
There you go.
All right.
See, as you can see, they're still medium rare. But once you put the broth in there, it will cook it up. Then it adds seasons to your bowl. Flavor, I mean.
I could just throw some of my garnish in there?
Throw some garnish in there.
Throw in some of these fresh bean sprouts. We'll go ahead and add in some more of those green onions. And then I'm gonna add just a little bit more of that
I'm gonna
cilantro.
add soy sauce, less sodium one. This particular bowl probably feed 2 people, but if you're Keel, probably feeds you. A bowl like this, as I was telling Ace, if you wanted to feed a big group, you could actually just take the noodle and put it into the pot and garnish the whole pot. Then you could just
So people can just kind of
Right,
spoon
just
and
come
go
and spoon
as they
and
go.
go,
You don't have to decorate it all.
right.
Awesome.
Got some Musan sauce around here
Hit it with a little bit of lime.
and some beef paste. You wanna, because it's in your bowl, you want a good, nice size spoon. 'Cause this is the flavor you want.
I'm just gonna throw these in there. Is that okay?
Yep.
I know I've seen some of the bowls, they had the whole chunks of the lime in there.
Yeah, I usually like to squeeze mine in there.
Okay.
Then some sriracha sauce. I don't know how spicy you like yours. but
Spicy.
it's even better.
There you go.
Then just stir this up with a fork.
There you go. I got the tongs.
See what I do before I even serve anybody, so before I even serve you, make sure the noodles soften up. And I take a little taste of the broth, just to make sure.
Healthy Laotian.
And you won't even notice it. That's how good it is. Okay, now I'll see you later.
Hey man,
Get your own bowl.
Your faux Cajun influence. Tastes good to me.